Open your watch list. Really look at it. 200 names, and half of them you could not say why they are there. A watch list that big is not a tool. It is a to-do list you will never finish, and it buries the few names that actually matter today. It happens quietly. A name catches your eye, you add it, and nothing ever gets removed. Your curiosity keeps growing while your attention stays the same. A watch list should map to decisions, not curiosity. Every name should answer one question: what would actually make me act on this? So split it in three: what you own, what you would act on at the right level, and everything else, which is not a watch list. It is a someday list. Then let the data do the sorting. One comparable score across every name shows you where attention is due this morning, without reading 200 charts. What you are left with is a watch list you actually use, short enough to read before the open, focused on the stocks carrying your risk and the few you would genuinely trade. Track the names you own and the ones you are truly watching. Nothing more. EquityBias, a research tool, not financial advice, and never a prediction.